Hello everybody, how's it going? Christian from Treasure Town, and today we're going to be discussing what clipped planchets are, and we're going to be talking about how they're made in the production process of coins. These are errors, what they are worth, and then show you a variety of different examples of clipped planchet errors. So for the full overview, that consists of what I just talked about, but in a condensed period of time, we're going to go to a presentation and just show you exactly what to look for on clipped planchet errors. And here we've got the clipped planchet coin error. Now there are a bunch of different types of clips, but the main one is just going to be the curved clip. Sometimes there's two curved clips in one. That's a bow tie when the clips are kind of on opposite sides of each other. That's rare, as well as straight edge clips and irregular clips, which would just be, not a straight edge like the one on the right. But basically, when these are formed, there are kind of coil stocks. They are kind of metal sheets, and they punch the planchets out of those. But sometimes those sheets overlap. So normally, you'd be striking in these circular spots, but they overlap, and on either end of one, then you get, when they punch out a circle here, well, there's not enough space to have the coin after it that it's connected on the same on different sheets to, so you end up with one of these circular clippings. The opposite would be true if there wasn't another sheet after. That's where you would get the straight edge, and that's kind of how this occurs. Now, in terms of the other thing that's important about these coins, you'll notice that there's often a weakening across from where the clip is. That's called the Blakesley effect, because there's going to be inefficient metal flow. And that's a way to kind of authenticate, this could be man-made if somebody has a, theoretically a sharp enough, shear or something like that. Here you can see the rim is intact, but then when you get across from it, it kind of starts to disappear. This is a much larger clipped planchet coin and a lot rarer and more valuable as a result. The other complicator is that one half of the clipped edge should be kind of smooth, and the other half will be rougher in appearance. Now, in terms of values, the penny ones, those could just be a few dollars, but when you get more rare coins, they can go up astronomically. This one's a very large clipped Ike for $5,500 that sold. This one's 30% clipped Sacagawea, auctioned up to $190. And this clipped planchet Buffalo was $575 in good condition. So there's significant value, especially when it's not like a normal Lincoln Memorial or maybe Lincoln Wheat penny. Those probably not going to be quite so expensive. But again, just make sure that, and you'll see it here, the rim is a little bit kind of messed up over there across from where the planchet clipping occurs. Not quite as much with this Eisenhower. Maybe a little bit less of a pronounced rim, but that's just something that's always said that's easily observed in all of these photos. Thanks for watching the video. I'd encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and get in touch with me on my website, treasuretownYT.com, Facebook, TreasureTown, Instagram @TreasureTownYT, or Twitter @TreasureTown_YT, and I'll look forward to seeing you on some of my future vids.